Alright, what's up y'all? Back with another one. So changing the alternator out on the '08 Chevy Impala 3.5 liter. So first thing we're gonna do, disconnect the positive side from the battery. That's the first thing, because you don't want no spark. No spark. So disconnect the positive side from the battery first. Okay, so after you disconnect the positive side from the battery, set it off to the side so it won't touch back, so it won't come back and touch this. So after you do that, you're gonna take off this one and this one. Those are 10 millimeters. You take them off, you're gonna remove this out of the way. Remove this out of the way and set it to the side. Alright, so after you remove those 10 millimeters right there, then you're gonna grab it and move it out your way, set it to the side. Right there should be fine. It's not gonna hurt nothing. That gives you access, more access to the alternator, and you can get down there and release the belt. But alright, that's out the way. Set it right there. Then we're gonna get on to the next spot. Alright, so the next step, you wanna get you a 3/8 ratchet, and you're gonna stick the end of the ratchet inside the belt tensioner. It's right here. There's a little slot, a little hole that fits for a 3/8 ratchet. You're gonna put it right there inside there. After you put it in there, you have to get you a long bar or something to make it long enough, or if you got a breaker bar, that's cool too. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull it forward towards the front of the engine, and as you pulling it, use your other hand and slide this belt off. It's real easy. Just slide the belt off. So let me see if I can do it with one hand. Might fit it in. Nah, can't do it. But gotta use two hands for this. So that's all you gotta do. Pull this forward, and as you get it all the way forward, you're gonna grab the belt. Hold this forward, grab the belt, and pull it off. Okay, so after you take the belt off, see right there, the belt is off. After you take the belt off, you're gonna come over here. You're gonna take this bolt off right there. Take that bolt off, 13 millimeters. You gotta worry about it. It's not gonna spark because we already done disconnected the battery. Just take that bolt off right there. All right, so after you take that bolt off from right here, take that off. Set the bolt you took off to the side so you won't lose it. Then, there we go. So then, you're gonna remove this electrical clip from the alternator, from the back of the alternator, right here. It's right here. It's the push in, push down, push in type clip. So you're gonna push this right here. Just a little tab right here. You're gonna push right there. You're gonna push it in. Yeah, it won't focus because my hand in the way. But you're gonna push it in and then pull it out like that. You have a hard time pushing this little tab in. Get you some pliers, needle nose pliers, and just grab it on there. Squeeze down slightly, not hard, and just pop it out. Okay, so next step, you're gonna come over here and take this bolt out right here. Take this bolt out. It's a 15 millimeter. Take this one out. I already done loosened it. So after you take this bolt out, set it to the side. I'll show you the next step. Okay, next step, there's another bolt, 15 millimeter, right there. It's literally right behind the alternator. It's like right above it. If you feel for it, you come from this side and feel for it. It's right here, right there, right on top of it. It's a 15 millimeter. You have to use a ratchet. A wrench, a 15 millimeter wrench, because you can't get a socket on there. So use one of these 15 wrench and loosen it up. It's not gonna come out all the way. It's not gonna come out all the way. That's fine. You just need it to be loose. It's not gonna come out because it's gonna hit the firewall. So you just need it to be loose. Get it loose like that, and I'll show you the next step. Okay, so after you release this bolt right there, after you release that one, come over here behind the alternator on this side, right there. That's another bolt you gotta take off. So on top, that's a 10 millimeter, and right below it, when you take this out, remove this clip off of it. That's a 15. You're gonna have to take the whole bolt out. So remove this 10 millimeter first, take the clip off, then remove the 15 millimeter bolt, and that will release this right here. So you'll have room to slide the alternator. You don't have to take this off. You don't have to take this off just to remove the alternator. Just take this clip, set it off to the side, but be careful because you don't want to break nothing or bend nothing. So take that off right there. Then after that, remove the 15 bolt and take the bolt out. Okay, so after you remove the 10 millimeter and the 15 millimeter, so after you remove the 15 millimeter bolt, which is this right here, so I'm gonna show you how it goes. Pretty much self-explanatory. It was somewhat like this. So then you're gonna move this 10 millimeter first. Then this right here slides down. After you remove this slides down right here. So you're gonna remove the 10 millimeter, push this clip back off of this stud, and then remove the 15. And after you remove the 15, you'll be able to move this to the side just a little bit. Don't force it over hard. Just hold it over to the side. Grab the alternator from here and bring it out like this. You're gonna have to wiggle it in and wiggle it out or whatever, and turn the alternator facing you and finesse it out. It'll come out without moving this line. Trust me. Been done. Sitting over here. That's the old one. This the new one. Everything identical. Make sure when you get your new one, everything look the same. Might have a slight difference, but for the most part, all your connectors and bolts, make sure they are in the same place. So then you're gonna put it back in the same way. Just reverse it. That's it. Can't film it putting it back in. I'm sorry. I got a couple more things to do, but I had to change that anyway, so decided I'll change that out and show y'all how to do it. But like I said, put it in, just reverse it the same way. Make sure you put the power cable back on the battery, and you're good to go. Have any questions, drop them in the comment. I'll be sure to help you out. All right, until then, y'all be safe. And yeah, you can do it, I can do it, we can do it.